I saw this question also in your email, 8-4, number 33, and again I broke it into three parts. If x varies directly as y and z, so it's directly with y and z, so that's going to give you the numerator kyz, and inversely, so that's going to be over divided by as a square of r, so r squared. So directly tells me these two will be in the numerator, inversely says that r squared is going to be the denominator. So that's the general equation. Then they tell you x is 16 when y is 3, z is 12, and r is 3. So I substitute those numbers into it so I can find k. So we let x be 16, y be 3, z is 12, and r is also 3. So multiply the numerator, 3 times 12 is 36, 3 squared is 9, 9 goes in 36 4 times, divide both sides by 4, so value of k is 4. And so here's the general equation, and I substitute in 4 for k. So we have x equals 4yz over r squared. So we want to find x now when y is 5, so I substitute in 5 for y, z is 30, and r is 10. This will be 10 squared. So I multiply the numerator, I get 600, 10 squared is 100, I divide and obtain 6. Hope this helps.